Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Far Away. In this video I'm going to give you a quick update on the wide body that I installed in my car. Let's just get started. Right here guys, you can see that it's been like about 3 months and nothing has happened to the wide body. Everything's the same. Let me show you the back. Everything's the same. Nothing has come apart. So the method I used works perfectly. Here's the other side. Nothing has come apart. Now another question I've been asked is what size of rims and tires am I using? Now on the back I got 20 by 11s with 315s, 35 20s on the rear, and I do have an inch spacer. For the front I am using 20 by 10 with a 275 40 20 tire. And I am using a spacer, a 1-inch spacer in the front also. Another thing about the Vicrez wide bodies, guys, they have two styles. One of them is the Hellcat style wide body, and this one that I have installed is the Demon style wide body. Now I am gonna remove it, not because it's falling, but because I am gonna be installing the Hellcat style. I have the Demon style wide body right now. I'm gonna put some pictures so you can see them. Another thing I've been asked, it's does it rub? Does it hit the top? No, I have had no issues in the back or the front. So I do not have a lowering kit. It hasn't been lowered. This is a stock suspension, so no, it hasn't. Haven't had no issues. This is the Demon style. Now I am gonna remove it. Like I said, I am gonna remove it and install the Hellcat. I'm gonna be converting this car into the Hellcat style, and I am gonna be showing you how I am gonna be installing the Hellcat style wide body, step by step. I'm also going to be installing a different hood, which is going to be the Hellcat style hood. That's going to be coming up next also. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to be painting it matte black. Stay tuned for that. Real quick, let's go to the computer so you can see all the stuff that Vicrez has and the kit, how much it is, and what comes with it. And this is going to be it. This is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys. If you have any questions on the wide body kit for the Dodge Chargers, just leave it in the comment and I'll answer it. All right. Thank you very much. Like always, God bless.